Today, I'll walk you through how to add an image in Salesforce Classic email templates, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to incorporate images into your email templates so you can enhance your communication and make your emails visually appealing. Let's get started. First, you'll want to click on the app launcher in your Salesforce dashboard. This is like opening a toolbox where you can find all the tools you need, so take a moment to locate that icon. Once you've clicked on the app launcher, look for the option labeled Email Templates. This is where all your email designs live, and it's essential for creating effective communication. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will be similar. Now that you're in the email templates section, you have two choices. You can either click on New Template to create a fresh one or select an existing template from the list. This is like choosing a canvas for your artwork. You can start from scratch or build upon something you've already created. Next, once you're in the template editor, look for the image icon. This icon is your gateway to adding visuals to your email. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to select the image file from your computer. Think of this step as picking the perfect picture to complement your message. After selecting your image, click on Insert. This action will embed the image into your email template. It's like placing a photo in a frame. It's now part of your design. Finally, once the file upload is complete, make sure to click Done. This will finalize the addition of your image to the template. Take a moment to review your work. It's always good to ensure everything looks just right before sending it out. And there you have it. You've successfully added an image to your Salesforce Classic email template. Remember, visuals can significantly enhance your emails, making them more engaging for your recipients. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.